If you're tired of waiting around for your iPhone to charge, I've got a few easy tricks to help speed things up. Charging speed can be influenced by things like your charger, cable, settings, or even the environment your iPhone is in. Don't worry though, I'm here to guide you through a few simple steps to maximize your iPhone's charging speed. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Enable airplane mode while charging. If you want to charge your iPhone faster, turning on airplane mode is a great place to start. Here's how to do it. First, swipe down to open the control center. Then, tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. After that, plug your iPhone into the charger. With airplane mode on, your iPhone will use less power, letting it charge more quickly. Solution 2. Turn off the iPhone while charging. Want the fastest charging experience? Try turning your iPhone off while it's charging. Here's how. Press and hold the side button and the volume up or down button at the same time. Next, slide to power off. Once your iPhone shuts down, plug it into the charger. Turning your iPhone off helps by stopping background tasks from using up battery while it's charging. Solution 3. Close background apps and reduce usage. Background apps can drain your battery while you're charging, slowing things down. To fix this, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to view all your open apps. Then, swipe away the apps you don't need to close them. After that, avoid using your iPhone for things that use a lot of power like gaming or streaming videos. Now, go to your settings, scroll down and tap General. Next, scroll again and tap Background App Refresh. Turn off this feature to help your iPhone charge faster. Solution 4. Avoid using your iPhone while charging. Use your iPhone while it's charging can make it take longer to power up. To give your iPhone the best chance to charge quickly, avoid using it for heavy tasks like playing games or watching videos while it's plugged in. Let it charge undisturbed for the fastest results. By following these easy tips, you should be able to get a significant boost in your iPhone's charging speed. Let me know how it goes, or if you need any more help, feel free to leave a comment or reach out anytime. Happy charging!